Revitalize and rejuvenate wax-stained or faded plastics with our fast and easy tip using Dr. Beasley's plastic sealant. Using a concentrated all-purpose cleaner and degreaser such as Simple Green, spray affected area liberally and let soak for several minutes. After sufficient dwell time, aggressively scrub the plastics to remove wax or polish residue. Wipe area clean and dry with a paper towel. Repeat cleaning and scrubbing if necessary. An optional step at this point is to carefully warm the plastics with a heat gun to encourage natural oils to the surface. With the surface clean and dry, apply a generous amount of Dr. Beasley's plastic sealant with a microfiber towel and evenly spread to all affected areas. Allow product to sit for a minute or two, then wipe off any excess. Enjoy your rejuvenated and protected plastics for years to come.